It was about like shin, knee high while it was flowing. This is normally what we would see with like big rain flooding.
An absolute deluge of water.
This was like thousands and thousands of gallons. Throughout the entire unit, every single floor, wall, everything is soaked. All their personal belongings soaked.
This walkway at a condo complex on Fontaine Street in Allied Gardens turning into a rushing river within a matter of minutes Tuesday night.
My first reaction was wake up my wife, grab my kids.
Out of the 10 units, Marcos Beltran lives in one of the 5 that were destroyed.
It was definitely a lot that happened. You know, emotions, adrenaline.
Insurance coverage can be complicated. Some rent, some own, but the Beltrans are hoping to be back in within a few months.
We're safe, and we just learn from it and keep moving forward. This is a moment for me to teach my kids, like it's just material stuff.
And as the crew from Mighty Dry worked quickly to prevent mold, they heard other stories.
I heard one person yesterday, she was all excited because she finally did her Christmas shopping early. She's like, I'm going to be prepared this year. She hid it all under the bed. Everything she got for Christmas is destroyed.
Still unconfirmed by the HOA Villa Fontaine, but I'm told a pipe burst underneath these parking spots, filling these streets and homes with mud and water.
And due to that amount of water, sinkholes are another major concern. Twice while here, plumbers told me to be really careful of where I was standing and not drive my car over a certain area because the ground is so saturated.
The Red Cross has stepped in to help the displaced residents. Reporting in Allied Gardens, Jenny Day, CBS 8.